So I've just come into my local Tesco's to show you an example from today's lesson. So what we're looking at today's lesson is direct proportion. And what that means is something, any value, goes up at a constant ratio. So a classic example is, let's say a Kit Kat costs 50 pence. One Kit Kat is £0.5, 50 pence. Two Kit Kats would be £1. What you're doing there, you're doing 2 times 0.5. 5 Kit Kats with a constant multiplier, 0.5. 5 times 0.5 is 2.5 pounds. Here's another example, if I can show you here. We've got some lovely Pink Lady apples. And it's saying here, per kilogram, it's going to cost you £3.83. So what that means is, for every kilo, you times it by 3.83. So 2 kilos, 2 times 3.83 is going to be, top of my head, £7.66. So 4 kilos, you're going to do 4 times 3.83, and that's going to give you a value, top of my head, £15.32, I believe. And that's what it's all about. Direct proportion is going to go up in a constant multiplier all the time. And again, you see a lot if you go into your local Tesco's or Asda or Morrison's or Sainsbury's. You can see there's a lot when you weigh food. The more you get, the more it's going to cost. So I'm just going to leave Tesco's now and show you one more example. Now, unfortunately, you have to be 18 plus. But what's really cool, you see them scattered around London, are Uber bikes. So I'm just going to go to one now. They're actually now owned by Lime, but for the sake of this, I'm going to call it Uber bikes. So you'll see these orange bikes outside here, and they're really cool. You can also do the same with Santander bikes, but Uber bikes, it's a really cool example of direct proportion. How they work. It's £1 to hire them, but we're going to ignore that for now. Roughly, for every 3 minutes, it's £1. And that's your constant multiplier of 3. So, how much will 6 minutes cost? Well, you're going to do 6 minutes divided by 3. So 6 minutes divided by 3 is £2. 30 minutes, take one out for half an hour. 30 minutes divided by 3 is £10. Let's see this one a little bit more awkward. 20 minutes. Well, 20 doesn't divide nicely into 3 minutes, does it? Well, 20 divided by 3 is going to be 6.6 recurring. But also, it's real life. We can't have a recurring number for money. That's impossible. So what we do in terms of money, you'll round it up. So it's £6.67. But remember, I don't want to confuse you, Uber bikes, £1 to hire. So we add £1 on. And that's going to give us £7.67 for 20 minutes. Anyways, I hope this video helps. Let's get on with the lesson now.